Is your credit score a complete mystery? Do you want to take control of your financial future but have no idea where to start? Well, you're not alone, and that's exactly what we're going to fix today. Checking your credit score used to be a complicated, expensive process. You had to jump through hoops just to get a glimpse of your financial health. But now, thanks to apps like Capital One CreditWise, getting the full picture is not only easy, but it's completely free. CreditWise is a powerful tool designed to demystify credit. You don't even have to be a Capital One customer to use it. It gives you a clear look at your credit score and your TransUnion credit report, all in one place. And don't worry, checking your score with CreditWise is a soft inquiry, so it won't hurt your score. Ever. So let's dive into the app. When you first open it, you'll see your latest FICO score 8. Right below that, CreditWise breaks down the key factors that affect your score, like your payment history, credit utilization, and the age of your credit accounts. This is huge because it helps you understand the why behind your score. But what if you want to see how a financial decision might impact your score before you make it? That's where the credit simulator comes in. This feature is a game changer. You can simulate scenarios like getting a new credit card, paying off debt, or taking out a new loan. The app will give you an estimated change to your score, empowering you to make smarter financial choices. And for your peace of mind, CreditWise offers identity theft monitoring. It can send you alerts if your personal information, like your social security number or email address, is found on the dark web. Plus, you'll get alerts for any major changes to your TransUnion and Experian credit reports, helping you spot potential fraud right away. In a world where managing your money can feel overwhelming, Capital One CreditWise is a fantastic resource. It's an easy-to-use app that provides essential tools for understanding and improving your credit health, putting you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.